my name is Jason A. Martin, here for PennyStocksCapitalist.com. Today I'm here to do a short presentation about online penny stock trading, 4 rules for better results. Before I continue, I'd like to remind you that the full in-depth article including other successful tips for penny stock trading is located over at PennyStocksCapitalist.com. Alright, let's talk about trading foundations. All successful trading starts with laying the proper foundation for success. It's just like building a house. If your foundation isn't good, the house is going to come tumbling down. If you didn't set up a proper foundation with all the key items in place, you're going to have bad habits that over time are going to end up costing you money. Successful rule number 1, scams. Avoid becoming a scam victim in the pump and dump game, which is really prevalent in the penny stocks arena. This scam harms many investors annually, and the sad part is it really doesn't have to. One of the things that you can do to help drastically reduce your chances of becoming a victim of any scam is simply to ignore stock tips that come from unsolicited emails and stock tips really that aren't based on anything. If you visit a lot of forums, a lot of pump and dump artists will use these forums to promote stocks. And this just goes back to the research it out, get your own information, and make your own decision before investing. Success rule 2. Emotions need not apply. To trade stocks successfully, you need to be like a machine. Execute your trades without feelings. Getting married to a stock is going to cost you money almost every single time. When it's time to buy, buy. When it's time to sell, sell. And don't think about it. Don't let those emotions get in there and wreck your profits. Success rule 3. Speculation cash only. Don't invest with bill money. As with any investment, whether it be real estate, raw land, or developed stocks, business, whatever, you should only use money that you can afford to lose. Sure, no one is planning to actually lose money, but it does happen from time to time, and from time to time you go up and then you go down and you go back up again. And if you're not using money that you really can afford to risk, it's going to create a whole bunch of problems. And if we go back into one of our successful rules of keeping emotions out of it, that really can only happen when you're using money that is completely free and clear. Success rule 4, Google Alerts. I use Google Alerts for so many things in my daily life, from investing to business. You can get alerts for companies, products, industries, sites, and other topics. Best part is alerts can be mailed right to you instantly, or if you rather, you can set it up to where it will email you on a weekly basis. It's really great if you're involved with investing on a regular basis. It's a great way to keep track of different companies, when they got blogs posting about them and so forth. Very good. I highly recommend going to Google and setting up Google Alerts. Okay, well that concludes these 4 brief tips. There are more over at PennyStocksCapitalist.com. This article is actually over there where these tips were taken from, and it is more in-depth, discussion, and there are additional tips. So go ahead and head on over to PennyStocksCapitalist.com, and I hope you enjoyed this short presentation.